to Wat Phra Ram. So this temple, I was actually walking by the guy at the admission stand. I don't think he would have caught me, but then I felt bad. So it costs about 50 baht to come in here. Got here by motorbike though, but costs 50 baht for admission if you're a foreigner. So if you're not a Thai citizen, and if you are a Thai citizen, I think from what I remember seeing, it said 10 baht. So that's cool. I mean, usually I think it's free for Thai, but they charge it out here in these streets. Very serious out here. This is also in Ayutthaya in Thailand. So if anyone ever comes here, you'll see that, like, I don't know, sometimes I feel like I'm back in Rome, like Italy, and just you keep driving and there's always some type of ruins here, ruins there. There's just something to take a picture of, a picture with. And I'm still here. So we're on the motorbike and I'm just like, man, we should stop here, we should stop here. And we're just surrounded by all types of ruins and everything. So let's try to get around. Just go around. Oh, I can't go through there. Nope, can't do it. I'll go this way. Everyone's getting their pics, everybody. Let's see what's up. Ooh, this is... As you can tell, like, this is where they have the Buddhas. Now that's a photo right there. Epic. Only do epic things here, so do the like and subscribe thing, because that is the thing to do. I always go on weekdays to these places because that's when there's like the least amount of people, and I'll take all my medication and then it's cool, you know. I mean, I'll take it either way, but it's less people the better. And then if I don't have my migraines, that's probably the best day also. So a day with no migraines, gotta do something. Let's see. Another angle from this side. Nice. Nice. I wonder if you get some more intel. I just ended up here too. That's why I can't even say how long it's been here or something like that. But I'm gonna try to look that up and give it to y'all. Definite walkthrough. So, oh snap. This is pretty dope right here. Just look at this. Where am I? I don't know. Good question. Oh, this is definitely a very serious area right here. You can tell because it's lined up with the temple, and then they have the stairs, so they did some type of worshiping here. But yeah, this temple's pretty, I like it. I like it. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's definitely cool when you see things where like men made this, like humans made this back in the day. Like this is real crazy. Like us humans made this, like, you know. So it's always cool to see something like that. And out here in this Ayutthaya, out here, Thailand, it's very, it's all over the place. It's left, right, up, down. They got the Ayutthaya Historic Park, I think it's called. I was there earlier, so they do have a lot of, I was about to say prehistoric, but just, you know, stuff that's back in the day. Definitely. That looks pretty good. Let me see. All right, guys. We're here. We made it. Made it on motorbike. We saw a couple elephants. We saw a dog that came out the university school. I mean, there was. Oh no, I don't think I recorded that, but I did. I'll tell you what I did, and I'm sweating. There's not that many people here, so that's good because meds be hitting. All right. Yeah, I look a little buff. No big deal. I'm out of here, man.